is the only Full HD home projector that can keep up with gamers' fluid handles. Furthermore, with the advanced DLP technology, the W1210ST is capable of producing darker blacks and brighter whites that clearly outperform the conventional video projectors, rendering a superior contrast and clearer imagery that every gamer would appreciate for the full control in their gameplay. We also understand that every room can be different. That is why the W1210ST is designed with two modes to accommodate any environment. Game mode brings out all the hidden details in the darkest shadows and brightness highlights in a dark room, while Game Bright mode won't lose any image details in a well-lit environment. A truly immersive gaming experience would not be complete without the right sound quality. With a 20-watt speaker housed in resonant sound chambers, plus BenQ audio enhancer powered by Max Audio, dramatically boosting bass and treble, giving you serious stereo sound. We also believe there should not be any boundaries for gaming. That is why the W1210ST is equipped with numerous easy setup features like vertical keystone, greater offset, and short throw technology. It requires as little as 1.5 meters to project a stunning 100-inch picture. So gamers can choose to play where they want and when they want. All in all, the W1210ST is a unique home projector specifically designed to take console gaming to the next level. Offering gigantic screen, astonishing picture quality, fast microsecond DMD response time, and the low input lag with no delay for you to control your gameplay with precision while being fully immersed in the game. I guess the next big question would be,
with BenQ Cinematic Color, inspired by Rec 709, you can. In an era of high definition everything, Rec 709 is your #1 standard to consider when choosing a home projector for its visual richness. BenQ home projectors are designed after Rec 709 to deliver accurate reproduction of cinematic color the director intended. In fact, Rec 709 was developed based on the International Gamma Standard, which BenQ home projectors use along with the exclusive color wheel adjustment to project every color in its most authentic state. What does that mean? That means you're gonna love what you see. Stunning white balance is the result of finely positioned color coordinates, delivering accurate reds, greens, blues, and every other color in the spectrum.
I was right. It's love at first sight. Now, if you want to kick back, relax, and effortlessly enjoy a cinema-like experience at home, then come with me. Like this cozy family movie lovers, they don't let the size of their room stop them from enjoying a full-blown cinema-quality experience.
With lens shift, short throw, and side projection technology, your movie will project well in
any position and area in the room. Talk about flexibility. Thank you. No matter which room you choose to watch your movies in, we guarantee consistent wireless HD signal. Yeah, the It's made to be that easy.
The built-in resonant chamber speaker is expertly tuned to enhance the projector's playback quality with deeper bass tones for a truly immersive audio experience. There are also 4 preset sound modes and an equalizer to optimize any music you choose.
So go ahead, treat yourself to a professional-grade home projector experience in cinematic.
Color is the key to projectors, and color accuracy is the reason why DLP technology dominates the game. With the 6-segment color wheel, BenQ DLP projectors faithfully reproduce mid-tone colors, even the most difficult natural skin tones. With an interchangeable color wheel, you are able to switch the color wheel based on different needs. No matter if you desire brilliant color or clear text, you can have the most optimal performance. As BenQ DLP projection reaches the REC 709 sRGB color standard, colors are projected with accuracy, like how the directors see it. Accurate. Used by 90% of digital cinemas and 100% IMAX worldwide. DLP, the #1 projection technology in the world. BenQ.
Streaming sports in 4K. Precisely display supreme image quality and subtle details. With sharp edges and low color dispersion. Deliver greater contrast range with BenQ HDR technology. The leading color technology ensures realistic color, while football mode optimizes the audio-visual performance. BenQ TK800 brings the game to your living room.
Hey, you can serious one second.
Sorry. Vivid color for 4K sports streaming, wherever you are.